Now that you've already submitted what you're going to make to me, you're going to draw your picture of your object that you want. So again, I chose to make a heart. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my heart. Whatever you decide to draw, make it as big as you can and fit this paper as big as you can, because when you start wood burning, you want to have you want to utilize as much as you can of your piece of wood, because this will go right on top. So after I trace it, I'm going to go ahead and cut out my heart. Again, I'm going to kind of cut it. I'm going to fix the cutting as I... Okay. Kind of want that to be my heart. Alright, I'm going to go ahead, and now I'm going to go ahead and trace this. And see which way fits best. Looks like that. I'm going to go ahead and trace this onto my block of wood. Oops. All right, there's my heart. And I'm going to go ahead and submit this assignment by taking a picture of my heart. So I'm going to show you all how to do that right now. So again, to submit this assignment, you are, once it loads, to submit this assignment, you're going to take a picture of your heart. So you're going to go start assignment, scroll down. You can use your webcam as an option, but because I'm using a video right now, I can't do it. But you can use your webcam, or you can upload a file that you've taken a picture of. So let's say I took a picture of this. All right, so most of you should have a camera on your computer, and so I have a camera on mine. It's not letting me use it because I'm recording for you guys. But you're gonna go ahead and take a picture of that, and you're gonna choose a file. All right, so you're gonna choose file, click on the picture you've taken, and submit the assignment. And that's all you do for this assignment. You're ready to move on to the next assignment, where you're gonna start cutting your wood. You're gonna start rough cutting your wood.